Hello everybody. Today we're going to look at the next workbook available for sale on Amazon. It is on CVC words and simple spelling rules. First, it tells you all about dyslexia and what level reader you need to be to start doing what's in the book. Tells you about what's taught in the book. Tells you about vowels and consonants and the difference between those two. How you can work with vowels and consonants. And then it starts in working on letters that dyslexics commonly flip, like J's, L's, B's. This is a maze in the shape of the letters. D's, P's, Q's. And then you've got some games working on short vowels. And then you've got where you fill in the short vowels to make words. And then you've got some writing practice with short vowel words. Got the picture, and you want to match the word to the picture. So they're out of order here, and you have to figure out rat. There's rat, and then you write rat on the lines. And then you've got a word search with short vowels. More word searches with more short vowel words. And then you've got an explanation about unit syllables, also known as glued or welded sounds. And then you've got a large list of unit syllables to practice with. Then you've got a game, Connect 4, with glued sounds, and you build words with glued sounds. And you've got a little game with the sheep and short vowel words. And then it starts in on decodable stories. So by this point, you should have the skills to read these stories yourself. That's what a decodable story is. It means you can read it by yourself, the skills you've already learned. Another decodable story with the unit syllables, or like I said, they're also called glued or welded sounds emphasized. And you got some Mad Libs. You can fill in short vowel words to make funny stories. And here you want to circle the short vowels that are short A's in these two decodable sentences. Same thing here, you've got Mad Libs and then decodable sentences with each short vowel sound. And then you've got writing practice, short sentences using short vowel words. And some also are using your unit syllables or glued sounds. And then we have our very first rule, the Z-floss rule, which it tells you all about that here and gives you examples of words that use that rule and words that are exceptions to the rule. We have another Connect 4 game. Let's see, and then we have some sentences, decodable sentences. And we've got some more decodable stories. Then we have heart words, also known as irregular words. Some people call them red words. These are sight words that do not follow normal phonics patterns, so they're odd, so we have to remember these by sight. And then practice writing them over here. Got some more practice writing. And then we've got some more spelling rules coming up after this, starting with the crybaby rule. It tells you what that rule is and then gives you examples of those words that use the crybaby rule and examples of words that break those rules. We got plenty of writing practice over here. Then we got the kiss the cat rule and examples with writing practice. We got milk truck rule with examples and writing practice. Catch lunch rule with examples and writing practice. And then more pages to practice your writing. And then we've got games. So what you want to do here is put a pencil down, and you can spin the pencil, and whatever it lands on, you want to put a marker down. So if you have some little tokens or something that you can put on the spaces. And then the same thing here, except with the word form. You've got the picture forms and then the word forms. The same game. And then you've got a blank one that you can make your own out of. And we got bingo cards with CVC words. More and a blank bingo, so you can make your own. You've got Candyland. So you match the letters on the side with the ending sounds on the board as you go. So you want to have a dice for this one. And another Candyland using glued sounds, and then an empty one that you can make your own version with the blank. Now here's where it gets into orthographic mapping. This really helps with spelling. It's a lot of hands-on work to really work on those words, and it tells you how to start with the simple ones. Tells you how to map a CVC, a CC, VC, that's consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. So these are examples on word mapping, the different types of word: consonant, vowel, consonant, 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 unit, syllable, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant words. And then you've got a blank one. These are all describing how to do it, and then there's where you can do it yourself with your word lists. So this starts out simple with these short words, and then this tells you about open and closed syllables, gives you some words to practice. Those are high frequency words. And then on the back you have another word mapping sheet, and this one you can do longer words with because it has more squares. So that's all of this workbook. You can find it on Amazon, and I will put a link to that in the description. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.